Ready.
All right, we are underway with this stand-up only fight as we remind you of the rule set here. No grappling or wrestling of any type. Fighters also cannot do any follow-up strikes on the floor. May the best man win, and we are underway. Kick to the body now, that one won't land. Oh my goodness, I can barely get my notes together. A huge early connection there.
It's a... Oh!
Oh, and there it is, and new! Cyril Gane, the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion of the world.
This dude is a savage. We have seen him time and time again have these massive performances, and now he is the world champion.